Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cash Fix. Today is the project 2015 Ford Explorer 3.5 liter has a check engine light on with the code P0456, which is related to evap emission system leak. It's a small leak. This is a purge valve right here, and this is defective. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to replace this purge valve. Remove the engine cover and then unplug this connector right here and remove this hose. Pull it out. There's a clip at the green one. Press it on both and it should pop up right up. So two 8mm bolts. Go ahead and unscrew them. Bolt just pop right up like this. Already have a replacement part bought from AutoZone. It's about $40. Comes with the new O-rings and this bushing, which apparently one missing. Wow. Okay. This O-ring back and this rubber bushing slide in here. Since it didn't come one with this, I'm gonna take one from the old one and just place with this. Apply a thin layer of grease on the O-ring so it will help to go and set perfectly. There you go. The screw backs. Plug this hose back, press the clip and this purge valve connector. Push it in. Alright. And let's go ahead and clean your check engine light, and hopefully this will help you to solve the P0456. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, and thanks for like and subscribe my channel, and I'll come back shortly with some my other video.